Welcome everybody. Welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Services Private Limited. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and click the bell icon to receive future notifications from our channel. Welcome everybody. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to HExcelprop. So we are back again with another video of Provident Deansgate, and this time we will explore the actual unit. We will go and enter and we'll see the actual the simplex and the duplex. So right now the ground floor is simplex of 3 BHK large, but now we have gone to first floor, and that's the left area. From first and second floor they have given a duplex Villaments. There will be 3 units in one cluster or one wing. Right, so this is located on IVC Road, a part of the IVC Road development. The road widening work is going on. A lot of nearby developments are happening very closer to the highway, the Bellary Road, very close to the upcoming metro station, and the property has the accessible even before toll and after toll. So that's the connectivity to the property, not far from the satellite town Outer Ring Road, which is operational now in North Bangalore. Then we have this project closer to the startup business park. These are all the developments which I'm talking about. We have Prestige Tech Cloud. We have the airport is another advantage to this location. Neighboring is good. The neighboring, we have Prestige Park Drive, the plotted development. Then we also have got the Magical Springs, one of the premium plotted development. We have the Shobha Lifestyle. We have the Under the Sun the villas. Many things are there. Then Manyata is also nearby. Provident itself, they themselves have a big name in the market. Provident is nothing but the Provident is Puravankara group. So the Provident belongs to the Puravankara company. Just to give you a little brief information about the property. Before that, I think you might have seen the living area and dining area. And way before that, you might have seen the lift area, which is there for the residents for the residents, right? In the ground floor, you have the simplex, and the 3 car park area will be given. This is not a villa at all. This is a concept of Manchester. This is townhouses, we can call it as 3 units are there in one single wing. If any investor is looking out to buy the whole cluster, that is possible. In modification, if you're looking out, we can try and get it done for you, if in case if you want to buy 3 units as one single wing or one single cluster. You can combine all the 3 units, make it one. Well, that's a different thing. But now coming, I'll check and confirm you about that one, about the company, whether one individual can buy a 3 units and have modification can be done. We'll check out and we'll keep you updated. Coming back to the project info, the Provident Deansgate is located on IVC Road, North Bangalore, very close to International Airport. They have only 3 BHK apartment, 3 BHK units, 3 BHK simplex garden townhouses or the terrace townhouses in an entire property. There are no 4 BHKs, no 1 BHK, no 2 BHKs. 15-acre land parcel. They have 96 clusters, 96 wings. Each cluster comes with 3 units. This is gonna be G+2 structure. 28 townhouses will be there in an entire property with east, north, and west facing. Right, we just saw the kitchen and 1 bedroom with the balcony and the common washroom. Now we are going to the next floor. So we have the big terrace area. This is the terrace area, what we are calling it as. You can do your plantation on this. The huge space is given. Right, now coming back to again the development and other things. For more information about nearby development, why this product, what is the uniqueness of the property, for those things you may reach us. Now let us talk about the product first, the unit what we're looking at. The view from the terrace is good. We'll have the other unit view. They see every the line of the units or every row comes with the amenity view or the road view. Right, driveway, basically the driveway to the residents, not to the public. Basically the property comes with the minimum size of 1900. It can go up to 2200 square feet, starting from 2 crore 9 lakhs. We just saw the terrace area, and now we are heading to look out other 2 rooms. Here was just little bit in distance, we can look out. We can see they have done the interiors in a good way. you can use that space for like work from home type concept, right? We are entering into the common room. Common room comes with a common room or the children's bedroom also, you can say. Yeah, basically this is gonna be the children's bedroom, comes with the attached washroom to it. The washroom it attached to this. And this they have the best payment plan, which is the construction link plan. Expected possession by May 2027. 2 crore 9 lakhs is the starting rate for the property. They have a very huge clubhouse with all the facilities, more big. The trees are they have given inside the project, about 1500 plus trees they have given inside the property. The plans are really good. Vastu compliances, you can say. Just we are looking out the bedroom. Now let us exit and go to the last room. Let us go and explore and look at the last bedroom. This is the master bedroom, comes with attached washroom. Again, attached washroom to the master bedroom. Here we have well, that's it. We are done. If in case if you're looking out for more information, need more information about the product, we'll be waiting for your call. Reach us. Stay safe. That's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and if you have any questions, you may reach out to us. Thank you so much.